Today, we're diving into vibe coding, what it is, whether software engineers should be worried, and most importantly, what you should be doing about it. If you're new here, welcome to Software Engineer Meets AI. Our mission is to help developers like you level up by mastering the latest AI tools. So, what exactly is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a new approach to writing software where developers use AI, especially large language models, to generate code from simple natural language prompts. The idea was popularized by Andrej Karpathy, one of the co-founders of OpenAI and the former head of AI at Tesla. He describes vibe coding as a way of vibing with AI models, working alongside them rather than manually coding everything yourself. But should software engineers be worried? We've all seen those videos where someone creates an entire app or website just by typing one or two sentences. In a few minutes, the app is up and running. It's easy to think, if AI can do all this, what's left for us? The reality is, anyone with internet access can now build basic applications. That means competition is getting fierce. But the real challenge isn't building the app, it's maintaining it when things go wrong. Imagine the first time a paying customer finds a bug. Now it's up to you to debug hundreds of lines of code that you didn't manually write. If you're just relying on the AI without truly understanding the code, fixing problems will feel like diving into the deep ocean without knowing how to swim. And remember, your customers are only one prompt away from building their own MVPs. If you want to stand out, you have to offer real value beyond just generating code. So, how to stay ahead? This AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here, but it's not here to replace you. It's here to amplify those who know how to use it well. So stay curious, stay updated. These tools are improving almost every single day. At the same time, double down on your fundamentals. Understand software architecture, learn best practices, strengthen your ability to think like an engineer, not just a prompt writer. That's what will make tools like Cursor truly powerful for you. Not just generating code, but creating great, maintainable software that lasts. And if you want to take it even further, I've put together 5 pro tips for using Cursor. That's it for today. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Let us know in the comments what topics you want us to dive into next. And as always, thanks for watching.